Hello, and welcome to Right Caths. For endovascular surgeries, there are many catheters, guide wires, and other intravascular devices that may be used, but not all of them are compatible. Though surgeons are able to plan what they will use in advance based on patient imaging, if they find in the operating room that the patient has unexpected anatomy, the surgeon may have to try out different catheters whose dimensions are less familiar. Aside from memorizing the dimensions of every catheter or acquiring the knowledge through years of experience, there's no way to know whether catheters or devices will fit together until the packages are opened and the surgeon tries them out. If these do not fit or the dimensions do not work for that patient, the cost of the unused devices is wasted, but more importantly, precious time has been wasted. This wasted time can be detrimental in emergent situations, for example, if a patient is having a stroke. Right Caths was developed as a way to quickly determine whether two or more devices will fit together to avoid having to waste time testing them out in the operating room. In addition, it can act as a learning tool for fellows to plan out a particular patient's surgery and what devices they might use in advance. So now I will take you through a demonstration of the Right Caths app. First, we will plan a surgery. You can see that you can either view past surgeries or plan a new surgery, which we will do now. If you click this, you see all devices over on the left, which lists all available devices. And if you click on a device, you can see more information about it, including the manufacturer, a description, the product type, dimensions, and if anyone has added any helpful videos or notes, you'll see that there as well. If we go back, we can click Add Device to get selected devices to come up, and you can see that there's a visualization here. If we add a catheter as well as the guide wire, we can see whether these will fit together visually. If they will, the combination will turn green, so we can see that these fit together. You can add more than one device to see if it'll fit within a catheter together. I just added a sheath, and we can see if the sheath will work, and it looks like it does. When you have a combination that you're happy with, you can click Add Surgery. This will take you to the database of all past surgeries, and you can go and see the one we just created down here. If you click on it, it'll take you to a picture of the visualization, which has the labels for each device so we can see what was used for that surgery. If you have administrative privileges on the site, you can also go and add a device. If you add a device, first you have to select the device type. Let's say we're adding a sample wire. On this screen, you can type in the manufacturer, brand name, a description, and then you can add the dimensions that have been specified for that type of device, in this case, thickness and length. The dimensions are available in centimeters, French, and inches, given the variety of dimensions that these devices come in, and you can put them in and they will all be converted to determine if they are compatible. So we can see, say, 5 French and 10 inches long. Add that device. And then we are taken to the database of all devices, where we can see that under sample wires are newly added devices listed. If we went back to plan a surgery, we can see that our new device is also there, and we can add it and see if it's compatible with other devices. Another thing that administrators have the right to do is to add new device types. For example, if there is some device that isn't a catheter, wire, or a sheath, which are the devices we have already, you could add it here. You can add any fields you would like, and these fields will come up as your different dimensions that you can add for that device. I will not do this now. The app also has the ability to search. You can search for any of the devices and click on the device to find out the specifics for that device.